Welcome to Wergelandsveien 7 here in Oslo, Norway. This is the HQ, the global HQ of Airthings. My name is Martin.
My name is Trygve.
And today we received a very exciting package. Whoop, whoop. This is our yearly outdoor air quality monitor, because we have quite a lot of indoor air quality monitors in the building, but we don't know much about the air outside. So today we're going to install this up there. Take the stairs, it's empty. We're up on the roof and the view is fantastic. Let's marvel at the mechanical lungs that supply our offices with air. So the air is being sucked into the air handling unit there. We got our air handling unit is from Novema. Camfill providing our filters, quality Swedish filters. We want to find out whether the air that we bring into the building is good, and that's why we're hanging up our Airly sensor right next to where the intake to our air handling unit is. Here we have our Airly box that we're about to open, and ooh, moment of surprise! Here's our sensor that we're going to mount today. This is an Airly sensor that's going up on the wall. Putting in the power. Mission accomplished. Let's take a selfie.